Adding and subtracting decimals with number chips. This is a digital lesson. The directions are on slide 2. Students are going to start on slide 3. So they have these movable number chips, and they're going to place them in the correct place around the decimal point in order to do this addition. So it starts out with some easier problems, and then it advances to a little bit more difficult. There's a couple subtraction problems in here also. So students are going to move these number chips. To move them, they just click and hold on the edge, and they're going to move them into place. So they need to know here that the 4 goes to the left of the decimal point, and the 5 goes directly to the right. That means this number has to be a 0. And then 3 and 21/100ths. And then after they place these, then they're going to use the remaining 3 numbers to finish the addition. Now, if they get to the end of a slide and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So in that way, it's self-checking. The other way it's self-checking is they're going to have a riddle on the final slide. They're going to match their answer to the letter that's in the yellow heart. And if they've done these correctly, they will solve the riddle. So they've got a few more to practice. Again, placing them around the decimal point, and then a couple subtraction. When they get to that final slide, here are all the answers they should have from the previous slide, so they have to go back. Once they find these answers, they're going to take the letter that's in the yellow heart and they're going to type it in above its answer. So if they've done it correctly, they will solve the riddle. So this is a digital lesson, adding and subtracting decimals with number chips.